In this video, I would like to explain about converse of Pythagoras theorem. We apply this theorem in trigonometry, in sometimes in algebra also. Hi, this is Madhubabu. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. The statement is, in a triangle, if square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle and the triangle is a right angled triangle. What is the statement? In a triangle, if the square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, take a triangle ABC. This is the given triangle. In this given triangle, given condition is, in triangle ABC, if square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, we take this is the longest side of the triangle. So, given condition is square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. If square of one side is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides, this is the given condition. So, in a triangle ABC, suppose AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. This is the given condition. Then to prove, required to prove, then the angle opposite to the first side. The angle opposite to the first side. What is the first side here? AC. So, what is the opposite angle of the first side AC? That is angle B. So, the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. So, this is the first side AC. The angle opposite to the first side is angle B. So, angle B is a right angle. So, this required to prove is angle B is equals to 90 degrees. We have to prove that angle B is equals to 90 degrees. And the triangle is a right angle triangle. So, when one angle is right angle, then automatically this triangle will be right angle triangle. To prove this theorem, we need some construction, that is construction. We have to construct a triangle PQR such that PQ is equals to AB. So, PQ length should be equals to AB length. So, this is PQ and QR length equals to the BC. So, QR length should be equals to BC length and angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. We have to construct triangle PQR such that PQ length should be equals to the AB length, QR length should be equals to the BC length and Q is equals to 90 degrees. This is the required construction. Proof. In triangle PQR, angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. Then by Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, from triangle PQR, it is 90 degrees angle Q. That's why PR whole square is equals to PQ whole square plus QR square. From triangle PQR, angle Q is in 90 degrees. So, by Pythagoras theorem, the square of hypotenuse is equals to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So, we will get PR whole square is equals to PQ square plus QR square. PR whole square is equals to PQ. By the construction, PQ is equals to the AB. So in the place of PQ, substitute AB. From the construction, QR length is equals to the BC. So substitute in the place of QR BC. The reason is construction. In given condition, AC whole square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So this is take as equation 1. And we got PR whole square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Take this equation as 2. From equation 1 and 2, both left hand sides are equal, then automatically right hand sides will be equal. AC whole square is equals to PR square. Apply square root on both sides, we will get AC is equals to PR. Now compare these two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. From triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equals to PQ. AB is equals to PQ by the construction. Reason is construction. And BC is equals to QR. BC is equals to QR. This is also from the construction. We constructed like this. BC is equals to QR. Reason is construction. And AC is equals to PR. AC is equals to PR. This is the, we proved AC is equals to PR. We got AC is equals to PR. Reason is proved. In these two triangles, all corresponding sides are equal. So, by side congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. By side. By SSS congruency rule, the two triangles are congruent. If two triangles are congruent, then the corresponding sides are equal and the corresponding angles also equal. So the corresponding angle of angle B is angle Q. So these two angles are equal. Angle B is equals to angle Q. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles CP, CT. Angle B is equals to angle Q. We got from the construction already angle Q is equals to 90 degrees. So in the place of angle Q, you substitute 90 degrees. So we got the result. We have to prove angle B is equals to 90. So we got angle B is equals to 90 degrees. Hence proved. If you like the video, please like it and share it. Those who need maths basics, and subscribe it for more videos. Thank you for watching.